Bulk Tusendanen powder is a purified natural compound extracted from the dried fruit of Melia tusendan. Tusendanen is a triterpenoid compound frequently used by researchers in the study of natural insecticides, pharmaceuticals, and biochemistry. Green Agri supplies bulk Tusendanen, a brownish-yellow fine powder, 2%, HPLC tested. It is readily soluble in organic solvents such as ethanol and acetone, and slightly soluble in water. This product is primarily used as a raw material in the research and formulation of agricultural biological pesticides, as well as in the research of raw materials for some insect repellent products. Welcome to our state-of-the-art plant extract factory. As a professional B2B enterprise, here is the perfect combination of quality and nature. Our products hold the highest industry certifications: organic, kosher, halal, ISO 9001, FSSC 2200. With our US warehouse, we ensure fast and efficient door-to-door delivery. Please contact us now for wholesale orders.